we'll guide you through how to use NotebookLM for YouTube video script. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your device and carefully type notebooklm.google.com into the address bar at the top of the screen. After that, press enter on your keyboard and wait for the NotebookLM website to load completely. Allow a few moments until all interface elements, menus, and buttons appear properly, so the platform can function without errors or missing features. Once the home page has fully loaded, locate and click the Create New Notebook button to start a new project workspace. After clicking it, wait for the system to create your notebook. Then proceed by clicking the Add Sources button inside the workspace to begin inserting your content. Next, upload or paste your notes, scripts, articles, or any reference materials that you want NotebookLM to analyze. After uploading, wait patiently while NotebookLM processes and organizes all the content into a structured format that can be used for analysis. After the processing step is complete, look at the left panel and find the Source Discovery section. Carefully review all recommended sources that appear there, including related articles or YouTube video links suggested by the system. Take your time to evaluate which sources are most relevant to your topic, then select one or multiple videos that best support your content goals. Once selected, click the Import button to add them into your notebook workspace. After importing the sources, wait again while NotebookLM analyzes the video content in detail. When the analysis is finished, read the generated explanations, summaries, and key insights that appear inside the chat panel. Finally, go to the chat input box and type a clear instruction such as create a YouTube video script from this content. Press enter and wait for NotebookLM to automatically generate a structured script based on your sources.